Today I'm gonna make some bagels. It's my first time making them. I hope everything is gonna be okay. I have them resting right now in the kitchen. We're gonna put some seeds on top of them and we're gonna make them sandwiches. I think we're gonna make 1 or 2 sweets. So let's go make them. We start with the yeast and sugar in warm water. Mix it well and let it rest for 5 minutes. Then we add it to the flour with the rest of the water and salt. Mix it by hand or a dough mixer until smooth. At this point the dough should not be sticky. Add some olive oil into a bowl and put your dough in there. Cover it and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. I made my bagels at around 150 grams and they were kinda big, but that's how I prefer them. To form them you have to make a ball of dough, then use your fingers to push and rotate at the same time. Be careful to not push too hard. You need that hole to be bigger than you'd think and you will see immediately why. Cover them for 1 or 2 hours and they should double in size. And see, the holes are smaller now. Bring a pot of water to boil, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey and mix it. You want them to boil for 2 minutes per side. After that, let them cool to room temperature so you can do an egg wash. We're gonna use a seed mix. Cook them in the oven with fan on for around 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I kept one bagel with nothing because I wanted to brush it with butter and have cinnamon sugar on it. Now allow them to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. We wanted to make some sandwiches with them, so as an example I had cream cheese, omelette, bacon, some onions and pickles. The texture of these bagels is really chewy and this is why I love them so much. They go really well as sandwiches and it's a pleasure to eat them. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments. I really hope you will enjoy this recipe. A like and subscribe would really help me and come back to see more recipes as I post them every week. So see ya next time.